and Nelson Mandela are there, Mother Teresa are there, Mahatma Gandhi are there. Only thing is, as a leader, as a mentor, as a guide, we have not been able to guide you, facilitate you properly. We are at fault, the so-called leaders. So now you are going to be the leader. Tomorrow you are going to stand here. Tomorrow you are going to be bureaucrats. Tomorrow you are going to be in the judiciary. When you know the difference between the values and prices, the value of a particular thing and the price of a particular thing, the young people, the youths of today, they are going after the price of things, not the values. When मैं ये बता रहा था, अधिकार बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अधिकार, हर आदमी का अधिकार, सबके साथ सबका विकास होना है. तो everyone has to enjoy. ये तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में सब कुछ दिया हुआ है, लेकिन नहीं मिल रहा है. तो क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? आप पूछ सकते हैं. You can be the warrior, you can be the fighter. जिनको अपना अधिकार नहीं मिल रहा है, उनको दिलाने में आपका योगदान. You can be a fighter, an activist, a pressure group. You can work. There is a role of the youth. There are three types of people in the world. The first type, the first one is the one who watches things happening. क्या क्या हो रहा है हमारा समाज में, पृथ्वी में क्या क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ लड़ाई हो रहा है, कौन सा गैजेट बन रहा है, क्या क्या हो रहा है, तो वो देख रहा है. खाली they are only watching. The first category. Second category is the people who do not know what is happening. जा रहा है, खा रहा है, पी रहा है, सो रहा है, but they do not know what's happening around in the world. तीसरा जो है वो है, the third one is the one who makes things happen. जैसा अभी मोबाइल फोन बनाया है, अभी इंजेक्शन बनाया है कोरोना का. तो whatever we are enjoying, whatever gadgets we are using, the cameras, this microphone, these are made by people who brought changes. So three categories of people. Which category do you like to fall in? आप किस कैटेगरी में आना चाहता है? बोलिए आप. First, third. सब तो नहीं बोल रहे, एक दो ही आदमी बोल रहा है. तो third means then our conference is already successful. That you want to make change. You all have to be at least for change. कौन सा वाला change? There are two types of change. Either negative change or positive change. That is called development, progress. When you decide, you promise, you commit to bring positive change, then we will have a better democracy. And India, I can assure you, India will be the greatest democracy in the world. And we can be superpower. I just wanted to read out one quotation from Swami Vivekananda ji. A brave matlab bahadur, I think. Brave, frank, clean-hearted, courageous and aspiring youth is the only foundation on which the future nation can be built. That means you have to be brave as an Indian. As a youth, you have to be very frank. You have to be very transparent, very frank. You have to keep on asking questions. Then clear-hearted. दिल में पूरा साफ होना चाहिए, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. बोलना है बोलना है, नहीं बोलना है नहीं बोलना है, खड़ा होना है नहीं होना है, खाना है नहीं खाना है. Very clear-hearted, not confused. Courageous, full of courage, and aspiring. Then only we can build our future of our nation. That is what Swamiji has said. And our great country, Bharat, requires heroes. The heroes, as a hero, your duty is to go on working. You have to keep on working. And then everything will follow of itself. If you karma ka phal hota hai. अच्छा काम करेगा उसका फल आपको जरूर मिलेगा। आप निष्काम कर्म, कर्म के लिए आप फल के लिए आप मत सोचिए। You keep doing good works and you will get the result. But the thing is, we as a youth, as a person, we keep discussing about things which are not within our control, which are not in our hand. We should keep discussing, debating, interacting on the things, issues which are within our control, which are within our hands. But हम लोग वो नहीं कर सकता है। पता नहीं कितने लोग महाभारत और रामायण के बारे में सुने होंगे, या whether any of you have read Mahabharata and Ramayana. When I was very young, we used to listen to our grandmother about Mahabharata and Ramayana. People regard it as a religious book. It is not a religious book. It is on philosophy of life. तो अधिकार के बारे में I just wanted to close by saying, giving some remarks on Mahabharata and Ramayana. अधिकार, जब अपना अधिकार पाने का, जो अपना हक पाने का समय आता है, बात आता है, तब महाभारत शुरू होता है. When your right have been taken by somebody else, when you wanted to gain it, there starts Mahabharata. Within you also, Mahabharata is in you. It is not the story. Then Ramayana, क्योंकि पांडवों का जो हक है कौरव ने लिया है, उसको पाने के लिए जब काम आता है, समय आता है, शुरू होता है, there starts Mahabharata. When your own right, आपका खुद का अधिकार छोड़ने का समय आता है, उस समय रामायण शुरू होता है. रामायण क्यों? आपका कभी कभी आपका हक भी छोड़ना पड़ता है, अपना देश के लिए, अपना रीति रिवाज के लिए, अपना ट्रेडिशन के लिए, कस्टम्स के लिए. उसके लिए आपको कभी कभी अपना पिताजी के लिए, अपना देश के लिए, अपना बड़ा भाई के लिए आपको अपना हक, अपना जैसा अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के लिए आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, तब रामायण आता है. इसलिए राम राज क्यों बोला जाता है? Sometimes you have to learn to sacrifice your right for a larger interest of the country, अपना देश के लिए और अपना खुद का दोस्तों मित्रों के लिए, अपना लोगों के लिए आपको कभी कभी वो भी करना पड़ेगा. So I advise you, my request to you is, don't regard Mahabharata or Ramayana a religious book. Go through it properly. Ask some seniors who are expert in these two books, stories. Let them explain you properly. Then you can live a successful life. संकट आता है जिंदगी में. You will encounter a lot of problems. And जब problem होता है, when you become धार्मिक, truthful, धर्म संकट, you can take decision. When there is problem, if you are truthful, if you are rightful, if आप धार्मिक हैं, तो you can, solution will immediately come to your mind. You can take. But क्या होता है आजकल हम लोग quick fix, ready-made answer. अभी हम एक, sorry if you allow me, I'll just pardon me. As I was in the education department, अभी जो नया शिक्षा नीति आया है, I do not know whether you have gone through it or not. It was a voluminous, but it has been reduced to very few pages. उसमें क्या है कि around 60 plus 64, 67 pages. Example हम देंगे, जो शिक्षा, जो हमारा system है, we always go for getting good marks, good gradings. इसमें क्या होता है कि एक कॉलेज में one professor was taking a class on current, electricity. The students were MSc physics. उसमें पढ़ा रहे थे, तो अचानक स्विच बोर्ड बर्स्ट हो गया, जल गया, लाइट चला गया. Nobody could fix. सब अरे क्लास तो खराब हो जाए, क्या होगा क्या होगा. There are around 30 students, MSc students sitting there, and the professor was a PhD in physics. They could not fix a small. Then how do we fix it? क्या करेंगे अभी? लाइट चला गया, किसको बुलाएंगे? electrician, what is the qualification? 8th class. 8th class, at the most 10th class. He will come and fix it. But जो MSc के स्टूडेंट हैं, PhD का प्रोफेसर है, वो तो नहीं कर पाएगा.